Well, it's Tuesday, the 9th of May 2006, and after months of procrastinating, we finally decided to do the kayaking tour around Wallis Island. And this is our journey, starting at Coomba Park, going round the island from south to north and back home again. We set out in both of our kayaks and headed south because we had a good northwesterly wind blowing behind us. We followed this track all the way across to the bottom of Wallis Island without having to paddle once. Our first port of call is at the bottom end of Wallis Island in a little bay, which you can see from the satellite photos is very shallow. Rounded the end of Wallis Island at around 40 minutes, and that gave us the run then with the outgoing tide up the eastern side of the island towards Forster. Just past the end of the lagoon, we saw a flurry of activity, and the whole flock of pelicans and cormorants had a shoal of fish herded into the edge of the bay and were engaged in a feeding frenzy. Unfortunately, I was a little bit too far back to catch it on video. You can just see little bits of them in the distance. We're getting up to the top end of the island now, towards Hell's Gate, and the outgoing tide is carrying us along at about 2 or 3 knots, and the water is smooth and calm. We're sheltered from the wind by the island on our left-hand side, and the area looks just beautiful. Looking towards Forster, and then back in towards the island as John cruises up alongside me over this crystal clear lake bed. We've reached the airstrip now, so we're going to stop off at the jetty here and just have a quick snack and a leg break and take in the scenic beauty looking from the island across towards Forster Tuncurry. We're just about to start the homeward leg, so we're going to stop at a little picnic area here and have a bite of lunch to eat, and then we've got the fairly hard paddle against the tide and the wind across the top of the island, and that's probably going to take us a good 20 minutes or so. Once we've done that, we'll be heading down the western side of the island south and on our way home. Lucky in the last kilometre or so to see this spectacular sight. We've reached the last corner, and now we can take full advantage of the wind, rest our paddles and sail all the way back into the jetty. Alas, all good things have to come to an end, and our 15-kilometre journey, taking 4 hours and 20 minutes, is over, and it's time for John to head on to his surf ski and make the long paddle home. I wonder if John remembers the Coombas over that way. I hope he does. I reckon it's going to be dark in about 5 minutes. I better give Margaretha a ring and just make sure he got home okay. Hello, it's Michael here. Is John there?